Hey, how's it going there, folks? Welcome back here to a Friday night. It is the Earthmaster, about 8:37 p.m. here, California time, August 9th, 2024. Latest activity shows a large earthquake coming in to the Sea of Okhotsk here. Just a series of large quakes up here against the Pacific plate and the adjacent plate down here to the south near Japan lately. Looks like it just got upgraded here to a 6.2 earthquake. Now, this is coming in off of the EMSC model. USGS not picking up on it yet, but I'm sure they will eventually, hopefully. Takes them a little while, but either way, it looks like it's in this area here, well into the subduction zone. Of course, we got that rare earthquake warning put out by the Japanese folks out here in terms of the megaquake potential here along this trench line where they seen that 7.1 couple days back here. Of course, things quieted down in this area specifically where we've seen that 7-pointer, but they believe it has enhanced the potential here for a megaquake out here in this trough area. We did see a couple earthquakes here this morning within the vicinity of this trough, adding further strain out here against that subduction zone. Of course, I'm waiting to see what the USGS has to say about this most recent 6.2 earthquake. That is a deep one. Looks like, it got upgraded here to a 6.8. Goodness. Keeps going up. Let me look at the seismograph stations here, see what we got. Showed up pretty nicely there on the seismograph station in Japan. Philippines picking that up as well. USGS reporting this as a large 6.8 earthquake. Goodness. That is a big quake over here. A lot of adjustment going on here across the western Pacific, and that is super deep. Watch the Sea of Okhotsk, the Sea of Okhotsk obviously over here, but watch the subduction zone here of the Kuril-Kamchatka Trench. That is a major player here in producing some large damaging earthquakes, megaquakes. So we got megaquake potential all over here across these subduction zones, and of course they can create some Pacific-wide tsunamis. Let's see what we got here from the Tsunami Warning Center. No watch warning, advisory, or threat, and that is due primarily because the depth of the earthquake there. 304 miles into this area puts the damage there and the displacement of water at a minimum. But still, that's a rather large earthquake. And watch the area upstream here. This is where the subduction zone begins. This area where the earthquake right now occurred is way down into the Kuril-Kamchatka Trench here. But this area is, I feel it's primed for a megaquake. And like I said, there's many areas out here that's primed for a megaquake. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that. I believe it's been reviewed here by a seismologist, so it should stand as a rather large earthquake. There's the seismograph stations there coming in right now, picking up all the primary waves. And, of course, the Earth will continue to ring like a bell from this large, deep earthquake occurring right now. No tsunami threat from this 6.8 underneath the Sea of Okhotsk there, down into the major subduction zone of the Kuril-Kamchatka Trench. We'll catch you guys back out here in a little bit for the nightly update. Not quite ready yet, so we'll see you guys back here shortly.